Helene is a Category 4 hurricane. Winds at the center of the eye or around the eye are at 130 miles per hour. So in a hurricane, you have these outer bands of rain, and then you have the inner bands and then the eye wall. So these inner bands are starting to make their way onto the coast of Florida along the Big Bend coast. So they're going to start to feel hurricane force winds, and the storm surge is gradually increasing as the central point of this storm makes it closer to land. Then they'll get the eye wall, and that's the most intense of the pressure and the most intense wind. And that was where we could see the storm surge peaking at 20 feet in the center of that storm. It is going to move inland, dropping a ton of rainfall for the southeast U.S., and it could likely stay a hurricane all the way through Georgia, and it is forecast to remain a tropical storm into Tennessee. It's going to pair up with another center of low pressure that's on land right now, and it's going to provide a lot of rainfall for the southeast U.S., and there will be flash flooding issues in the next few days. So we have Helene, we have this existing area of low pressure. They're kind of teaming up with plenty of moisture and lift for rainfall there. Back at home, of course, we've got the heat. The high pressure has been in place, and it's going to stay in place through the weekend. So expect much of the same in terms of Colorado's weather. Temperatures now, we're still hanging out in the low 90s along the Arkansas River, 83 in the Springs, now 79 in Monument. A little more comfortable in Woodland Park at 73 right now. So tonight we'll drop to the 40s, 50s, and low 60s. Our overnight temperatures are going to be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal as well. So it's just warm all around. For Friday, we are going to be a couple degrees cooler. Now, today we were about 15 degrees above average with the record highs. Tomorrow will be more like 10 degrees above average, so a slight cool down, but still very warm. We are going to see a bit of a wind in the morning, especially tomorrow, gusting up to 25 miles per hour in the Springs. That's a very weak cold front that's coming in to help ease our temperatures a bit. And so tomorrow is Oktoberfest beginning in Colorado Springs. It starts at 6 o'clock. It should be some nice evening weather, upper 70s. After sunset, we'll start to cool 60s. That will be very comfortable. And then for the last weekend of September, we're talking mostly 70s and 80s, lots of sunshine for both Saturday and Sunday, similar temperatures each day. The wind is going to be pretty light.